Reinvesting dividends on Wealthsimple is a straightforward process, particularly with Wealthsimple Invest, their robo-advisor service. Here's how it works. Log into Wealthsimple. Visit the Wealthsimple website or open the Wealthsimple app. Log into your Wealthsimple Invest account. If you don't have one, sign up and complete the required onboarding process. Check your portfolio. Navigate to the portfolio section. Wealthsimple Invest will automatically allocate your dividends if you have set up your account correctly. Automatic reinvestment. Wealthsimple Invest. By default, dividends received from your investments are reinvested automatically into your portfolio. This reinvestment maintains the balance of your investment strategy and helps you benefit from compound growth. Review dividend activity. Go to the Activity or Transactions tab within your account to review how dividends are being reinvested. You will see dividends listed under your recent transactions. Adjust settings. If you want to change how your dividends are handled, check the settings in your account. You can review or adjust your investment preferences, but automatic reinvestment is the default and typically requires no additional action. Monitor your investments. Regularly review your account to ensure dividends are being reinvested according to your investment goals and strategy.